Can you describe your property and how big is it? What are you growing now? What systems are in place? How much you produce in a year, let's say?
Okay. With my property, I counted the produce for the first 4 years. I'm probably getting more now, but it's quite significant. My property, the whole backyard is about 150 square metres. I've got about 80 square metres of garden, including the paths, about 60 square metres of actual garden beds. Within those garden beds, I've got about 30 fruit trees, about 22 types of berries, and probably about 50, 60 medicinal herbs there. After year 4, I was getting over 260 kilos out of 60 square metres, which is equivalent to about 14 tonnes per acre.
So 30 fruit trees in 60 square metres
Yes.
of growing bed. How do you do that?
It's a system called backyard orchard culture where we prune essentially all our fruit trees. We sort of cut them so they're just literally above head height, and it's all summer pruning. So we only use probably a handful of dwarf species. Most of them are full-size trees, and using the summer pruning system. So in the space that you have, say, one regular plum tree, you can have an early, mid and late season plum all growing literally in the same space, pruned down to size, so that way you get extended seasonal cropping. And the other advantage of that, they're easier to net, spray, harvest, the whole lot.